Hello everyone, welcome back. I have another free preset to give away. They'll be in the description below. I also made a node, a reverse node. The preset is actually an effect they drop on your timeline, and you can just switch it from forward to reverse. After you download it, go to Effects, look for SDS Reverse, and just bring it over and drop it on. And then you have a forward and reverse switch. In reverse, you may see some stuttering during playback in Resolve, but you will not see it after you export it. It's very little in Resolve, but like I said, once you export it, you shouldn't see it. I've done it several times in 4K and I didn't have any issues at all. I actually made this originally to use in Fusion. Then I decided to make this send it as well. When you go to Fusion, I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. I don't know how that ended up over there like that. But if you want to put it in macros, I'll show you the how to get to the folder here in a moment. There's several ways of doing it, but I'll give you one that I know. After you put it in, just hit Shift Space as normal and type in either SDS or reverse. And it should say SDS reverse. There's other things you can use it on, not just reversing footage. Obviously, you can do that on the edit page anyhow without this. And you can add all the controls in your macro as usual. And you have your forward and reverse. Now to put it in the correct macro folder, right here is the path. You want to copy all that. I'll leave it long enough for you to pause it. I will leave that in the description. And then if you type that in the search bar, it'll take you right to the folder. Then all you have to do is drop the settings file in. Don't drop the DRFX file in. That one you just double click on like normal, and it'll put the effect in that I've already showed you. The other one's the settings file, and you'll be able to find it right in the Fusion menu. Like I said, it'll be in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.